Hey guys, we're back on the boat today and Robin's with me. She's starting to, or actually continuing work on those drawers in the aft cabin, the temporary drawers. And my plan for today is to continue on with the bulwarks. Hey guys, we're back in the inside of the boat today. It's a bit of a rainy day, so we're taking advantage. And what we want to do is start removing this stuff, including that electrical panel. But the first step is to try to get some more space to put all this stuff that we've put, that we've used for storage thus far. So if we can clear this area right in here, that's the first plan, and get rid of these drawers down here. So what Robin's going to do is she's going to, I managed to acquire some plastic drawers and tracks. So Robin's going to make a frame for those drawers and tracks. So here she is in her itchiness apparently.
Oh, I got something in my eye. So we have a closet back here in the aft cabin that's currently not utilized for anything. Literally nothing. So to remove the current drawers in the current nav station, we're going to take these plastic bins, upcycling, way to go, and we're going to utilize this closet, which is currently a useless space, and build some drawer holding devices here. So I have to figure out what spaces I need for height and width, and using the curvature of the hull. Yeah, we're going to waste some time doing this, but in a long haul, it's going to give us some temporary storage, and give us the ability to tear out the old nav station so we can start looking at what the galley might be. So today's project, build a shelving unit in an extra large, useless closet. So check back with me. We'll see how we do.
All right guys, so I've been investigating the edge here of the deck to hull joint, and what I found is that it goes up inside. I actually cut away this piece, and just to see what was happening, because I have to get all of that hardened. It's almost like a caulking that's gone absolutely hard. So I've got to get all of that out of there before I can put anything in here. But what I'm finding inside is that it's kind of tapered, but the top edge looks absolutely clean. I'm trying to see if I can film this so you guys can see it. But what I'm kind of contemplating now is cutting this edge off, because it's really not sitting on anything anyways. It's not supporting anything. Cutting the edge off, cleaning the inside out, filling it with thickened epoxy, and maybe adding some glass fiber to the thickened epoxy, give it a bit more strength, and then glassing over the hull to deck joint. But it's all cracked, so I'm sure once water gets in here, it's just like a raceway for the water. It just runs down the hull to wherever. So that's the issue really, is sealing up this joint and just doing away with those leaks. Hey Robin, how's your progress going? Just checking on you down here.
It's coming. It is a work in progress.
So how are you making out?
Well, I used a piece of cardboard to make a template, because this is going to go down towards the base of the hull and come up on the side, and then I'm going to extend this straight up about 46 inches.
All right, let's see how that looks when you put it in.
Well, I need my other board.
So there's Robin's first drawer, and she's just kind of figuring out how she's gonna
I can't put this in.
Get all the angles correct. But it's coming along.
Yeah. When I take a couple inches off here, I can put it back further, and then I can put a top on it to brace it. So we'll get there.
Slowly but surely.
But first, I just gotta cut this off so I can go any further.
All right. Well, I'll check back with you later.
All right. Bye.
All right, guys, I've cut off this edge and we can see what's underneath. This is that hardened caulking stuff, whatever it is. It's hard to do it with one hand. So I loosened some of that up, but you can see that it just comes out like that. So what we're going to do is clean out that surface, both surfaces, the upper and lower. And you can see back in there, there's quite a void. So we're going to clean that all out, sand it, and fill it with thickened epoxy. All right, guys, I helped Robin cut the piece that she marked up, and it is now in for a trial fit. What's happening there, Robin?
Well, I got the width I need per the drawer.
Okay.
I got my space there.
It looks like it's leaning in a little bit at the top, but
Well,
that's easily remedied.
Yeah. It fits pretty decent down here on the bottom.
Maybe you want to tell everybody and show them, like, because you can see where you're looking, and I can't. And you
It
try to
fits
hold the camera straight.
pretty well along the hall. I'm pleased with that. But I wish I would have left it a little bit longer over here, which I didn't. It's temporary.
Yep.
It's functional. So I just need to build the top support, and so I could screw it on here to over to here. So we'll get it. It's temporary.
So you pleased with it overall?
I've done better work.
But like you said, it's only temporary. It only has to serve the purpose.
Yep.
As long as everything fits and slides.
Yep.
That's all we care about. It's just a temporary storage place.
Yep. So
And it means we can move forward with other things like planning the galley.
Yeah, I can't wait to tear that shit out of there. That old Dad station.
Well, it'll give you a better idea, and you can even at that point start roughing it out with some cardboard and just you get some things in your mind.
Yeah, but hopefully by getting these drawers in here, we can clear off some of this space over here that's got storage in it at the moment.
Robin's talking about the workbench area, I guess you'd call it. Temporary workbench area.
It's an organized chaos.
All right, guys, we're back here again. Robin's working on her drawers, but we had a little bit of a mishap yesterday, didn't we, Robin?
A little bit.
Robin always tells me safety first. Wear gloves.
Your gloves.
What, especially when you're using that hot glue gun.
I got a second, possibly a third-degree burn yesterday, so I'm bandaged up today.
She keeps pointing at me. I don't know why.
It's pretty bad.
Hey guys, so here's Robin. She's working away. What do you got to say there, Robin? How's the progress?
Slow.
Yeah, Robin's having a little bit of problem today. She's not up to par, but she's here, and I told her just take it slow and easy. Do you think she'll listen?
No. I was trying to build a wall or a closet here for these drawers, and I got put another screw in. Then I got to build my top half.
Here, you can talk to the camera.
So I gotta build this guy. I gotta put one more screw in here. Then I gotta get a board across the top here.
Make sure it's not too close so people can see.
So I can put this piece on. Then we can start building drawers. So that's where we're at.
All right. So now you guys can come up topside with me, and we're going to take a look at that Boatworks, and apparently Robin wants that screw back. And we're going to take a look at that Boatworks and see what we can do there. I brought some scaffolding today, and now I can get up from the outside and take a good clear look. If Robin stops drilling for a sec. I can take a good clear look at what's going on inside the deck to hull joint. So hang in there. All right, guys, I've cleaned out that area where the hull to deck joint is, and my plan now is actually to go a little bit further. Robin thinks we can go. Right, Robin?
Yeah, without a problem. I think we can go another 1.5 feet.
So we're going to go about, we're going to try and go about 3 or 4 feet and clean all this out. We're going to make a piece of kusa for the top, and we're going to fill this with epoxy. And the thought is we're going to do it in one shot. As I'm talking about it, I'm wondering about the heat though. Maybe we should do this, fill this area first, and then put the kusa on top as a second phase. Anyways, this is what we found. And basically, Robin says you can see the light inside in the cabin. If you look carefully, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right back at that back edge, that's the hull to deck joint. And it's not that smooth a joint, like that filler that all fell apart. Maybe this is the reason that the deck is all crazed.
Got drawers built.
Yeah, we're gonna go take a look at that, guys. We'll be right back with you in a couple of seconds. In a jiffy, some might say.
So, I have created 4 fully functional drawers. What's one man's trash is another man's treasure. And they have so they won't slide out back. So, I think they'll work. No metal, no rust, no fuss.
And eventually, I think what we're going to do with those, and we do have some more of those, is put some of them in the, so what we're going to do with those going forward is we're going to probably end up with them in the engine room, you know, where they're serviceable, they're not going to rust, we can put parts and things in them. And I think we have about 10 of those. So, yeah, they're going to come in handy. We'll just keep moving them around until they actually find their permanent home.
We will have to build better sliders. Light up, please.
I'm the light guy, apparently.
We'll have to build better sliders because these ones are that cheap 10C plastic, and they're not going to stand up well to heat and movement and jostling. So we'll have to figure out something better than that. Obviously, we don't want to go with metal because that'll just deteriorate. And wood swells unless we completely cover it in epoxy. So, makeshift, functional. So,
happy, Robin?
Satisfied.
Okay. All right, guys, just thought we'd do a little bit of a real-time update and just sort of add it to this video. The majority of this video was filmed last summer, but this is real time. I'm just going to let Robin explain where she is with her back and so forth, and so over to you, Robin.
Hey everybody, you can probably tell my speech isn't good. About a week ago I developed Bell's palsy, which is typically because of a virus, so the whole left side of my face is paralyzed. It's about a 3-week to a 6-month recovery. I'm gonna start physical therapy on my face in a couple of days. Tomorrow, Monday the 3rd, I have an appointment with my neurosurgeon to see about my back. I did have the MRI done, so I gotta review the results with him, but due to the medication I'm on for my face, my back pain has actually improved substantially. And I, out of my bedroom, I've been finally able to sit up at a table for meals, but now I have a eating problem and a drinking problem. I have a hole in my bottom lip. So we just wanted to come on. Thank you everybody for your comments and your emails, and we'll keep you posted, and hopefully I'll be back to good soon. Bye for now.
Alright guys, so that's the update for Robin, and well, we've had some positives. She's waiting for this appointment tomorrow to see what they come up with for the MRI. From what I gathered from the MRI, it sounds like they've found a possible pinched nerve, which makes the world of sense with the pain she was dealing with. So tomorrow, and probably on the next video, we'll have a bit more of an update on her back situation. But we're hoping that by springtime, all is back to good.
I hope so.
Me too. All right, guys, hang in. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We really like to have more people on board and following us through the journey. Hopefully the journey is more boat stuff and less
medical. Yeah. Spring is coming. Hold on there. We'll get there. Make sure you share with a friend and bring them along for the interesting ride. Bye, guys.
All right, that's it for now, guys.